Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Libras, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, Libras. So, these are for your general energies, Libras. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. Today I'll be picking one card for your moon energies, guys. So this is the card and one card from the fortune cookie deck. So we will see what it is as we proceed into the reading, Libras. If you like this reading and if it resonates, guys, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, Libras. So let's start with these cards here for your general energies. We have Moon, Star in reverse, and Hierophant. So, in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or in your relationship, you have certain ideals or certain rules for yourself, guys, and you try to follow that, you stick to that, you believe in that completely. But maybe the people you are with in your work or in your personal life, they see it as something, a rigid behavior of yours or something you are stubbornly following, something they cannot understand, maybe. And you are someone who does not reveal your deepest thoughts or whatever you have to even to the people close to you, guys, maybe your friends or even family members. You do not tell them what you truly feel or what you are thinking today. So, in your relationship, guys, maybe you need to tell this person something. You have something to tell them, something important, but you are not telling them. You feel that it may be too bad or it may look like arrogance on your part to tell them something, but you are expecting this person to change in some ways. Maybe you have, just like I said, your belief and your vision is something different, and you want this person also to be like you, but making them listen to your way of things is going to look very bad. It's going to look like an arrogant behavior, abusive behavior. So you don't want to do it, but still you have something uh, in your heart of hearts. You want to tell them something, you want to make them change, you want to control them in some ways, guys. So this may be your energy or your person's energy towards you, guys, and you are hiding something. Maybe even you have done some mistakes, or you are really worried about something you did. Maybe it would have been um, you did not do it intentionally, but still it was some mistake on your part, and you're worried for that. But you are not making changes to yourself, but you want others to change for you, guys, Libras. So that is something really unacceptable for your person. So maybe it may be your energy towards this person or their energy towards you. And you are really sad for, maybe this person is crying for you, really sad for whatever they did, whatever mistakes. But instead of accepting their mistakes and trying to change, they want you also to change, some kind of a control they want to exert on you guys, Libras. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. It's Ace of Cups in reverse. So today in this relationship, maybe there are huge changes waiting to take place. Maybe this person is changing, or you are changing, or your circumstances itself is changing. Something like a revolution happening in this relationship, something really unexpected for most of you. So that is what I see, guys, with this card. So for your career situation, let's see what is the card. Death. So some changes are happening in your work situation, guys. Maybe some delays in projects or some suspensions. Maybe you're worried for things going in a bad way today. But you need to understand that better opportunities are waiting to come towards you, guys. So you can be happy for that. Something much better than what you were planning for today. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So for your moon energies, Libras, we picked one card. It's time to take action. New moon in Aries. So with this card in your circumstances, guys, Libras, maybe if you are thinking of some circumstance in your work or in your relationship, whatever questions you have, it is going to be a very good, a very big yes for you. Yes, everything is happening as it should, and it is time for you to dream big, because today you are really determined to reach all your goals and whatever plans you have, and you need to be really focused. Do not rush towards that goals, but plan each and every steps carefully. That way you will be doing things the right way, and you need to make a plan for yourself, because circumstances are unfolding in a positive way, and whatever plans you are having today, maybe dreams or aspirations, whatever it is, your circumstances are taking you towards that, Libras, and you can be happy for that. That is what I see with this card, guys. And you need to be committed to your goals, guys. That is also the energy here. Committed, ready to do the things you need to do to reach the things you want in your life, Libras. So for your fortune cookie, guys, let's see what is the card. Major life change. Time is right for major life changes, as a new lifestyle or location brings great joy and a trouble-free existence. So just like I said, everything is changing, Libras, today in your circumstances, and it is going to be really positive for you all, guys. So that is the reading for you all today, guys, Libras. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.